Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's learn colors name: pink, green, red, violet, blue, green, yellow, sky blue, pink, brown, orange and black color. Pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Brown color, this is letter B. Kids, this is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. F. G. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. Red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.